Okay, this video is to get you excited about the upcoming Utah Wood Turning Symposium. Out front, I'm going to go in. The first thing they do are introductions of all the experts. This is Ray Wright. He's in my group. He happens to be a blind wood turner.
Alright, here we're hanging out at the Utah Wood Turning Symposium. You can see the galleries all set up there. You see they've got a studio set up here. They've got craft supplies business set up so you can happily spend your cash. And then over here in the corner we've got somebody from Craft Supply doing a demo on a great big bowl. Yo, Braxton, let's make a deal. Let's trade.
Let's do it.
All right. Mesquite, sweet acacia, and olive.
Yep, and mulberry.
Ooh, acacia and mesquite, something I don't get. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are, out in the parking lot.
Making deals.
Making some parking lot deals.
Wheeling and dealing.
I just snagged a piece of acacia and mesquite. So super excited. I brought up a piece of pear, a couple big pieces of pear, and a stabilized burl.
Okay, this is an example of the classroom demonstration. They have a lathe up front with an expert who's explaining what he's doing. Here we're turning a bowl. We have a big TV set up so you can really see the action. I'm actually sitting on the back row, so it's a pretty good environment. Okay, May 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Officially it's 10, 11, and 12. May 9th is the Pen Turners Rendezvous at 7 o'clock at night. Friday night there's a banquet, and it's a great event, so hope to see you there. It's in Orem, Utah.